A different song. No, my boss. A different song. Different song, Papa. A different song. That the song there.
Okay.
That the song the more potent, my general. But that the song the more potent.
Don't talk.
Hold on, people. We go.
Nah, speak to song. Speak.
Alton. I want. You know what people them know so they can't cook, dog?
What?
Come we look on the pot, man. So, Richie. We are reason. We are artist name again. Hold on. I was same runner, sir.
I said something to you. And you and this man, I said, no, me I give you too much credit.
No.
Dad,
Well, mom,
listen
tell-
other
you
song
good?
them when man sing. A man I meditate. Hi, brother. That's why me tell you say when he singing a song, I can dirty mean. Listen, man.
Why them a say oh target don't shop at target.
A man I meditate high, dog. And see people that meditate high, then we see certain things in a song and you will think say,
If I have a head.
fuck, I see that thing me, I eat that thing say. But if you dig
I know you that thing, sir.
no, me not say eat that thing say, but me I meds you when say.
Daddy, better you turn up on top.
I can't that thing mean dog.
Turn up on it, no.
Come on, high.
Turn up on it. Go press it down, man.
Take that good up.
All the time me yes, I see you
Come
like this man.
see what I go on.
Go back to his song. Go back, listen his song. Wait, let me tell you what his song means. I'm gonna tell you, say, man, hi, dog.
My name. So me can't, you know what I see pot?
That's everything.
Me can't see pot.
Brother, I don't know about cabbage.
Come bet.
Done cook, brother, that they gone down, weird down, so string, and you pass a little pop level, watch.
Me can't see pot, Alton.
No, brother.
So I can say embarrass your pot and so confident say it all good on.
Come, People, when this...
It never looks so. I never say look, Alton.
Amel.
No, you should be done. You should be done a while ago.
Amel, brother. People, when I put cabbage in a pot, it shrink down.
We know but they put nothing in it.
Yes, because...
So you tell me say from a move and come back, I say again.
Alright, watch and see if you're not full of back. You're not good on back.
Alright.
Watch.
I'm gonna play a couple of man them song, I'm telling you, I'm going to sing it. For sure say you, hi dog. Just listen, I'm telling you something about the youth. I don't know.
She cried out.
I feel like say, the man a hi dog.
Oh, she gave us food to eat.
The man a sound like one of them a sing boy.
We took the most.
I heard him a talk about you know.
Power, wealth, and clothing, destroying all the elements.
Man hi dog.
Tree of growth, selfish human. Look what you have done.
That's all.
You took her mineral and
And I decided to part of the song you know. Listen when he good on that talk. The man a talk about vaccination and all this.
Oh, I pray that song, for real. No, I not say no high no Richie. I listen to that song, you know. And I don't say no high no. I just say the song where I say, oh, why shop.
No, the reason why, you see, if a man can show yourself, you can chat. Alright, may I say, if a man can meditate in terms of singing certain things, or high out certain song, in some song then, actually in a specific song, why not? If you listen to another one of the song, you give me credit for say, maybe a high for true, you know. You high man.
Ask the question. What question where did I ask? Probably a video reach it.
Alright, in a song. Alright.
The first song, the song about
Me
him.
hear the question me ask, and tell me if I'm right.
I was thinking about parents and your shot. From doing all your patrons. I was thinking about parents.
I got this song.
Class over here.
You say milk down now? Alright, chef.
The class of a straight.
1 second there, Richie. I look on the party and come back. Hold on. I saw. I think I saw.
Boy, why shop a Louis V? When there is a target.
I know that the lyrics there.
Yes. Alright, that means why shop a Louis V while there is a target. My thinking is that he used one word to mean two things. One, simplest form is why shop a Louis V store, why you can shop a Target, which is cheaper. But in a one sense, me I say, why shop a Louis V while you have a target to work towards.
Yes.
You understand me I say? So me I say, him I use the one word, like I use one stone kill two birds. Him I say, yo, why go shop a Louis V store where expensive? Why you
When
have
there is a
bigger
target.
to work towards? So me I say use the one
But
word.
suppose me can shop a Louis V and still meet the target that we have. You get me I say?
No. Why him I sing to that? Is him I sing to a certain specific class of people.
So that's why me I say. That's why me I say
if
probably.
he's singing to a specific class of people, it's not that he's saying if you have the money you can go and go shop a Louis V. He's saying
Oh, so
why
the,
shop a Louis
yeah.
V
So from the
when you
beginning
don't
of
have
this
the
song,
money.
he must sing about them the people they say, oh, the same way them the people
right.
the same
So
way.
me I say I
Alright.
use the one word to mean two things, but I say no.
Probably not, probably not, probably.
Way being. But if me I listen to him,
I listen
before
to him
the
other song them.
and me I listen to him other song and me I say yo, the artists are high. But as I said, maybe some people mind are simple, so they're not going to see certain.
Richie will say probably because
But the reason why I think that because I'm a person.
we say probably because it can mean that it can mean just one thing. Well, alright, me personally, you know how me wear my clothes them. Just one set of clothes. Because me I say, oh, like why, like when me I go buy all this dear clothes and I say for what? Like why? Eh?
Me can't get physical steak up.
But me thinking on my head, the reason why I think so still is because me thinking high.
Yeah, obviously high. The song when him sing, the last song that when him sing about money involved, so be a grown thing.
High.
Yeah.
But me in my head space,
I see about this
me
one.
think say a lot of I mean, I don't want to be disrespectful to other people, but I consider myself as being an artist.
Of course, me an artist.
Yes.
Me do art before.
I think I consider myself as an artist. I may not be able to take a pencil and draw, but I can use a camera and use it and depict a certain message.
Tell one
or
story,
image.
yeah.
Right. And the same thing with video. I can take it and tell a story, and me consider myself as an artist. So when me hear an artist deliver a certain message in one song, me think me can read through the message of what he's saying. And the same thing with picture. If a man take a picture, I can look upon a picture there and decipher it and say, this is what he mean.
Well, you're right. You're actually right. Why shop a Louis V when there is a target?
You have a bigger target.
But then again, the confident person would that not go for, then I guess it would have probably just go on. Because I say I can meet my target and still shop wherever. You get what I say? But as I say, from the beginning of the song.
Yaksta.
Let me hear that one.
It's
Let
a
me hear that one.
Me, brother, me.
Oh, that one is my favorite.
I love never.
Do you know the first thing what catch me in that song?
Yeah.
When I'm gonna make
I'ma tell you.
boy, a girl.
That line there. A primitive artist would have said, me nah gonna make a boy or a girl. You know, use the word girl and use the word girl. So you know that simple means say, you must say, alright, me nah put down a female. So me don't use the derogatory word as girl, me use girl.
Yeah.
Most people, the line they I'll fly past them.
No, I come back to what my dad said first. Zine, so just like the song, don't shop why shop a Louis V when there's a target. For the person where can shop a Louis V, still meeting target. In a film case, and now, because me definitely hear it, you know, when he say girl and boy, you see me? And then I look on you and say, oh, the boy part type, but that would have just come in natural, because a boy anyway
Yeah,
you take it,
but
you see me?
both use
But
girl in
yeah,
one song,
it would have
it's
been
girl.
derogative, you see
Yeah,
me?
it's
But you
girl.
want you to listen. Yeah, I really think, yeah.
And I'm gonna use my boss.
Pop boy, where you hide I go?
No, we are going to see if we get
Tough man.
Strong, powerful. You hear that? A million.
What you get from that? Where you get from that though? This. Where you get from that though?
The first thing,
The face with the
alright, first thing let me tell you with the image.
Jano.
This is him being blind.
Okay.
It's him being blind.
The pain I carry.
When we decide right to the
If I hurt you in this process, bro, I'm sorry. No, me know why I feel so lonely. I just be empty plates around me.
Me understand that.
Only blind in blind.
Me understand that. Me understand that clearly. When he say understand why I see him so lonely. Yo, yes when me go viral dog. Me blows and skirt.
Only Jah knows.
The pain I've carried.
Inside. For you, this process, friend, I'm sorry. Just see and knows.
My artist, you know.
How tough this a man now?
But visually too.
Yeah. It's a man I save
Is the chain on his neck?
Infinity.
That bandage, you know.
What this? Hold on, go back.
When you have on his neck,
Go back, go back, go back. But there's a can hold on. Go straight back. Because
That shot ya.
hold on.
The chain on his neck. It's
Bombard. So
bandage.
so what is infinite bandage? That does it?
bandage. No, it's bandage. I don't know
That's
what
sign
that
now.
mean.
A part of this, I think you mean
that's
infinity
no, I think
or
that sign ya mean something about women and man. I think that's something about woman.
no man. Next one, the one with the arrow, but this supposed to mean something about infinity, brother.
What, infinity?
Like this. So I wonder if an infinite bandage that
Where's
mean.
that infinity mean?
Yeah man, that's something there. That's something I have sitting for do with infinity, brother. Look up the infinity sign. You see, like even in a Marvel movie with
Ankh, this is Ankh, where African they use. I think that Ankh.
that's something that want specific meaning, man. Want specific meaning. That's something there.
Something about woman.
Alright, the one with the male, me know where I thought. The one with the male they always painted in a pink, and the one with the for the male I would want arrow. I don't remember exactly what I mean.
Everybody run my floss and drink.
Yeah.
Remember that prayer. It's a feast for your soul. Only solution is just drinking, smoking, and roll.
You see, I drink and smoke, I broke on and you can hang
Keep
yourself.
the youth over my hatred. For one time we need a cheering. Now for young sex, I do the week dead. No support from peers and parents. It feel like chasing pavements. Young dog with a youth and a parent. I speak out.
So, I can't tell more thing, people. Run this and see if we get demonetized and then we just take off the monetization. I can't more know the thing, really and truly. Hold on, blur neat. Just realized I'm gonna come out here and hear everything blown out. But I'm gonna ask them, I like to know the thing about the artist.
If you could have cooked, you don't know so when cabbage going off fat, it melt down. You know a long time so
You know say you can't cook and I tell Ackeen and Richard say them can't cook. You say cabbage can't melt, it better you say shrink.
No, but how him pile you up in a pot? Me know you take out some dash way.
It now go look the same how him put in there, go off it go down, yes, but I don't melt.
Hold on, let me go look.
But you're tapping it.
Let me go
Shut
look.
up tell more. Cabbage can't melt, they think about that.
Go look here. Look on this. Look how it tall. Look how it tall. And look on this now. What me now wave most. Look at the eastern cabbage.
You win, Alton, you win. Alton, you
The
win.
eastern cabbage and it not melt down yet.
Alton,
It
you
not
win.
melt down, you go shrink down, it not go stay high forever. Cabbage, callaloo, have to shrink down, it can't melt. You must think about that.
You win, Alton, you win that one. You win that one, I'm a boss. Richie over there, so I go and meds out, bush load.
When you look at dove, you free him and you show him that water and come back. Purify.
Oh,
So
see?
there's a lot of symbolism in his song.
Tough man.
Going for symbolism. And I know what people now understand.
But as I say, tell me one thing, hold on, zoom out, Mr. Lara. Yeah, tell me one thing about the savior for the music. I don't even know if I call it reggae or whatever, but I just don't call it music, Jamaican music, you see me? Now my humble opinion, I savior that for the music right now. I savior for right now, yeah. Like more, subscribe.